All right, welcome to McBoss Capital live stream here. My name is Michael Chu. It is 9:23 a.m. October 21st, 2025 on Tuesday. We're seeing the market rebound significantly this morning from a drop. So we'll take a look at the chart in a second here. See Nasdaq down 0.1%, but it has recovered, and Dow also up 0.8%, S&P up 0.1. Volume is really high, up 19% on Nasdaq, and NYSE is up 15% as well. This morning, we're still not seeing too many growth stocks on the list, stocks on the move, because a lot of stocks were down this morning. But like I said, they have turned positive in some cases. So things could be turning around. We'll see. So here's the chart here on QQQ. QQQ didn't move that much at all this morning. So that's a good thing. It just never gave up too much. So it looks really good here. Trading really tight. Right now it's trading in the upper range. Let's go to SPY. So this one actually came out of the range here. So now it's trading at the upper range and it's positive right now. So very good sign. Because after yesterday's good day, we really don't want to give back if possible. Trading in a tight range is really good sign. Dow Jones, look at Dow Jones. It's making a new high right now, which is a very good sign. This is leading the index for now. Look at this chart right here on intraday. It looks really good. It just keep going up. Russell, I mean, it dropped significantly this morning, but like right now, look at how fast it's coming back up, and it's already surpassed yesterday's high. This is really good sign. Now it's giving back a little bit, but still, this is a really good test of the 10-day here. So only Russell did the 10-day test, whereas the other three didn't. But overall, yeah, it's looking very healthy right now. Of course, we have some really big movement this week. This morning, we have gold getting hit really hard. So you can see we have this nice up day here 3 days ago. Then we have this big down day, and then we came back right away. And but look at what happened today. It just gave up. It just gave up. I mean, everything was getting hammered in the gold area. So let's look at CDE. Look at this one. It just plummet to below 10, the pink line here. MUX. Another one, it plummet to below 10 day. This one. Look at Barrick Mining Gold. Look at this below 21 day now. Everything is just plummet. AGI, wow, this one came all the way to 50 day. Okay, you get the story. Everything in gold is getting hammered today, which is not a good sign, and it broke like a lot of trends. Short-term moving averages, the lower channel line, everything. Definitely not a good sign to, if you haven't sold yet, I don't know, like you can try to wait for a rebound, but it's possible tomorrow will get a rebound, but it's just probably signal a short-term top here, so it will probably need more time to consolidate. Anyhow, so that's the goal. But on the let's jump to some of the lists here. There's a interesting some software stocks are moving today. Let's look at a Sun here. Now some of these stocks are laggards, so right now it's trying to come out right here. See this one is trying to come back above here. We'll see if this time it will work. One stock that's moving really strong right now is Salesforce, making a huge move today, now up 4%. Let me see what else do we see here. Now Team, Workday, all these software groups are moving. So he's now trying to come back out as well, looking pretty strong here. So, so I did take an entry point just to, if it doesn't work, it doesn't work, but I can manage your risk. This environment is very tricky right now. I think there's lots of rotation happening. Here's Workday moving as well. And then, what was the other one? Team. Here you go. Team is trying to come back out as well. So, I don't know if they'll work, but But right now this morning is moving pretty strong, that group. um I mean, we can take a quick look at, like, some of the other stuff like AMD. It's pulling back slightly here. Nvidia, this one hasn't moved yet, which is kind of weird. So the chip sector is kind of taking a backseat right now. TSM also didn't move, so they're all trading at the bottom range, even though it's really tight, but they're not moving, so that's not a good sign. So the chips taking a backseat right now. On the retail, we see lots of restaurants, Bros, CMG moving this morning. Here's Bros coming back up here. Again, a lot of these are laggard, but they're making a move this morning. CMG, here's another one coming back up slowly. Wing, this one also bouncing right now. So yeah, there's some of those moving right now. Cal education stock moving strong. Some auto trucks, CPS. This one is moving. GPC report this morning. That one is also moving right here. So we'll see if this one can stay above here. Let's go to industrials. CDRE holding really strong here. Go here. This one also holding tight, looking pretty sharp, those guys. Let's keep going here. HWM, this is aerospace starting to move again. Very tight trading recently, ready to break out right here. Oops. Jacob Solution continue to new high. JB Transport here looks really good, holding really tight after a big run. Um, Symbolic. This one is trying to bounce back, so we'll see if that one will work or not. And then we have VMI. This one also bounced back really strong after earnings, so that looks a reversal that looks pretty good. I didn't see too much health stocks moving. Again, we talked about gold. Financial, we've seen some movement as well. ALLY, Ali Bank. Here you go, bouncing on the right side here. We see also Toast moving a little bit, trying to bounce back a little bit here again. Not sure this will work. They're kind of still in the, you know, some more of a downtrend. So, but they're trying to break out of those downtrends. So we'll see. Let me see what else was there. WFC. This one's holding pretty tight near highs here. They talk about JLL yet? JLL also bouncing. Yeah, so there's some financial stocks moving, but yeah, overall, market is rotating in some ways. So we'll see how the market, it's a worry. I think the best thing today was that the market did reverse. Like, so IWM was the biggest reversal here. We'll see how all the other index close as well. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.